How to improve video quality using Goku AI. Settings for sharper, smoother and more professional result. Let's get started. Open your web browsing application. For me, it's Google. In the Google search bar, you have to type in Goku AI to get into this interface. Let's type a prompt, for example singing dog, and you can see the result. To enhance the video quality, you have to upgrade your version. For that, you have to switch into Genius mode. For that, you need to purchase a monthly package, which I don't currently own. But for your convenience, I will guide you how to enhance your video. You have to change your settings for high quality output like resolution, frame rate, lightning and shadow, color enhancement. Use the AI Super Resolution tool to sharpen details, noise reduction, and enhance lower quality videos. Once satisfied, preview the enhanced video and click download to save it in your preferred format. And that's it. Now you know how to improve video quality using Goku AI settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.